Oh no, he's gonna wake him up. Yep, there it is. And he's out of here.
There it is. Boing! Oh, that woke him up. Look at him figuring it out. Little paw, hold it still. Yep, fixed. The nod. He knows he's a hero. Good work, tiny engineer. Okay, watch this little thief. He's got the measuring cups. He's really trying to be slick about it. Wait for it. That big guy's still out cold. Oh, there's the ear twitch. He's waking up. And, yep, busted. Gone. Straight behind the island. Look at that getaway speed. Big Brother's just like, what just happened?
Okay. Watch this little mastermind. He spots the ball, gives it the tiniest nudge, and there it goes right into the tambourine. Listen to that jingle. And, yep, big guy's awake. Look at that face. He's like, seriously? Quick getaway. Mission complete.
Look at that little determination. He is hauling 3 mugs like it's the weekly grocery run. You can hear the cups jingling. It's so tiny but so serious. Uh-oh, the big guy's waking up. He's like, what is going on? And a respectful pause by the Buddha. I love it. And he's off again. That clatter is pure